So do you struggle with those itchy eyes? Well, you're not alone. This is a common problem, and we'll talk about what is the best way to help relieve that and talk about what might be causing it. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Well, many times we might be suffering from that occasional allergy discomfort. So the seasonal changes, maybe different flowers or trees that are blooming. I know with right now seasonal things of the candles and the Christmas trees and all of that can cause some of that discomfort. Well, I love utilizing lavender essential oils. So we only use doTERRA at our home because of their potency, purity, and testing. And so lavender from doTERRA is naturally anti-inflammatory and analgesic, and also a natural antihistamine properties. And so just a little bit of lavender around your eye bones is going to help with those feelings of discomfort. You always want to make sure that you're putting it a little bit closer to the hairline so you don't get it too close to your eyes. Sometimes when essential oils can heat up, they can leak into your eye, so you want to make sure to avoid that. But as often as needed, you can reapply. Just be sure again to not get it into your eye. You can put it on the bridge of your nose and around the eye bones, and just be careful not to get too close. If you happen to get some essential oils in your eye, that's okay. Make sure you're using a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or olive oil or grapeseed oil, just a little bit of that around the same area. It's going to help with a little bit of those feelings of discomfort if you happen to get that in your eye. I know I have occasionally had issues with my eyes as well where they're a little bit itchy. Just a little bit of lavender around my eyeball while I was getting ready for the day, and before I knew it, it was gone. So I'm really grateful for that. If you're ready to grab your lavender essential oil, you can go ahead and do that right at roxysaran.com. Well, another thing that I have found really helpful is a capsule of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. Just 1 or 2 drops of each. You can do that 2 to 3 times a day as needed. We also have a beautiful product that's already pre-made from doTERRA. If you don't want to buy the capsules and the individual oils, it's called Tri-Ease. Tri-Ease is just a pre-made soft gel from doTERRA. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint, really easy to use. So if you're looking for the easy button and you're busy, you can do the Tri-Ease capsules that are already made from doTERRA. Just take 1 or 2 as needed for that occasional discomfort, and you're gonna find relief with that. You're gonna love it. Another hack for you, if you have maybe tried Tri-Ease and you need to switch it up sometimes, Zindacrine. Zindacrine is an amazing soft gel that's already pre-made. It's a blend from doTERRA that helps with flushing out toxins from our body. So this is, again, really easy to use. You can do 2 to 3 per day as needed to flush those toxins out and help support your body in a natural way. I like to oscillate between the Tri-Ease capsules and the Zindacrine capsules, and we have had amazing results with that. When we were traveling to Europe a few years ago, my son had some itchy eye issues when he went around some rabbits next door. They were having rabbits, and his eyes puffed up and were very, very itchy. And just within hours with the Tri-Ease and the Zindacrine soft gels, we were able to see amazing results. Okay, another essential oil that you're gonna find really helpful is tea tree or melaleuca. Is natural anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial properties, and again, around the eye bones, really easy to use around the eye bone area. You can use a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil if you'd like to do that as well. You can always apply your doTERRA essential oils to the spine or to the feet. Look on the reflexology chart to see where it's best for that particular area. You're gonna love the way essential oils work on any part of your body. You put them on your body and they do what they need to do. Another concern many times that could be causing the itchy eyes is a deficiency in nutrients that can aggravate itchy eyes. Well, doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack is really our #1 seller. You're gonna love the way you feel on Lifelong Vitality Pack. It has a whole food-based nutrition that is bioavailable. So that just means your body recognizes it as food and it utilizes it for your body. Another thing is it has plant and marine omegas, so increasing those fatty acids in our body helps with that eye area as well. Well, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Try it for 30 days. If you're not 100% satisfied, you can mail them back empty, and doTERRA will 100% give you your money back. So I challenge you, try it for 30 days, and let's see how you feel on doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack. Okay, if you're ready to hop in with doTERRA Essential Oils and try your Lifelong Vitality Pack, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, another tip for you is frankincense. Frankincense is wonderful for the eye area as well, not only anti-aging properties, but also for that occasional discomfort. It comes in the oil format or oil in the roller, in the touch roller that's already diluted with a base of coconut oil. This is excellent for kiddos as well, or elderly, those with sensitive skin. So just a little bit around the eye area, and that will help. Another powerhouse essential oil for you for eyes is helichrysum. Helichrysum might be an unsung hero or maybe not common to most of you, but helichrysum is a staple in our home. It also comes in the individual 5 ml or in the touch roller. I love the touch roller because, again, it's in a base of coconut oil. It's going to stretch your budget. It helps more oil get absorbed, and it's just really easy to use, especially with children or those with elderly skin. So helichrysum roller around the eyes. And one more oil for you that, again, might be an unknown for this area, but is eucalyptus. So eucalyptus is so powerful, antimicrobial properties. It is normally known for its respiratory issues, that you can help with that, and also for calming, but it will definitely help around the eyes as well, or on the bottoms of your feet. All right, I'm so glad that you were with me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video. Let me give you a sneak peek. We'll be talking about what oil was featured in the Vogue magazine for gorgeous skin. We'll call this oil an anti-anxiety for your skin. I'll see you in the next video.